Storm Rune here, doing another brawl. Looks like a Whippin' Lash, Hofferson's Bane, and Barf and Belch. So the order I'm going to take them out here is Hofferson's Bane, since that's the area of effect. And then Whippin' Lash, and finally Barf and Belch. I save up all of my action points for Stormcutter's Heal. Don't use action points unless some other situation presents itself. But the main game plan is to save them up for that heal. I like that they're taking Sleuther down. I consider Sleuther to be my sacrifice dragon. Let them pound away at him while he hits back, and if he dies, I get a free action bar. So now I'm going to start going after Whippin' Lash. Saving up for the heal, which I'll do right here. And now I'm down to one dragon left, Barf and Belch. And once I'm down to one, I start using my 2 energy attacks just to knock them down really fast, and that's it. Nice and easy one.